Okay. 2 sticks to move for 7 squares.
Two sticks?
Yeah.
Oh wait, never mind. It started then. Ilang squares?
7.
About 7. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 10, 9. Like 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 5. Never mind.
You're almost near
Here.
to got it.
Wait a minute. Got it? You got it? 1, 2, 3. Wait, maybe this.
That's not a square.
Come on. Just grab more sticks and make a 7. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 4. So, 2. I don't know. I'll just start pulling again. 1. So, wait, no, I don't know. Dalawang stick. I already did that. If I take it out, then I put it here, then that, then I
How many moves is that?
move.
Pero
Move ba po? Remove.
move. You just mate, it's still the same. You just move the sticks, but look, you just put it back from where it is.
I know. Wait, no, I don't know. 7. Look, 7. 1, 2, 4, 5. This is the most hardest one. I'll stop pulling. Rare. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You're making a rectangle.
It's still square.
No, it's not. Square has 4 equal sides.
Just use an imaginary line. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. Okay, I think I got it. No, you don't. Well, wait, now I forgot.
Now you forgot.
Wait a minute.
1, 2, 3,
Only 2
4, 5,
sticks?
6, 7.
Yeah.
Wait. No, I get it.
Yeah.
3, 4, 5. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Huh?
Oh, I thought you got it.
Ha! Nig.
No, that's the right answer. But you have to figure out why is it 7.
Then, if I answer that, with that, give me the
But
money.
you have to figure out why is it 7.
Yeah, figure it out now
1,
why it is 7.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
I don't know. Hold up, let's align it.
7 siya kasi box to.
Yeah. So how? Why is it?
Okay, give us time.
Diba? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yes, Kuya Tan got it.